I find that when playing a Beethoven symphony, of course, it's always very important to search for clarity, but more importantly, search for resonance within all notes. Never attacking notes aggressively or killing the ends of notes. It's always really important to make sure that notes resonate and end really beautifully. I've done a few experiments in concert halls with bass sections just out of curiosity to see what actually travels. And I find that really attacking and playing aggressively and overly articulated often doesn't travel as well as when a double bass section works together with resonance. The sound that really comes through in a concert hall, I guess it's a taste thing as well, is a section that really plays together through vibrations and resonance and sends out, I guess, a wall of sound. Another general thing to be aware of in Beethoven symphonies is that the double bass is often working very closely with the timpanist. So I always search for those moments at the beginning of my preparation and work out how best to match the timpani's timbre and also how best to create a long line with the timpanist and create the rhythmic foundation for the orchestra. Thus, the same thing goes for playing with the woodwind section. They're often a point of reference for me. A lot of the time when we're creating a long phrase or accompanying a line, I listen out for the woodwind to see what they're doing because I guess they really have to. They're forced to breathe with their line and they're forced to breathe at appropriate points. And I often feel that if string players actually had to breathe with their playing, I wonder if we would play a lot better together musically and also, of course, ensemble-wise. So those are my main points of reference besides, of course, the conductor and the concertmaster. The bass section really do control the rhythmic and dynamic foundation for the string section. So, of course, we want to go with the concertmaster, but working with these different groups within the orchestra can help us to kind of help the upper strings, cellos, to move and encourage the line to keep going a lot of the time.